Hi guys, I'm back with another easy recipe and today we are making pasta in creamy chicken tandoori sauce. Collect all the dry spices for the later use, then boil pasta in heavily salted water according to the instructions given on packet. And save half cup of pasta water for later use. Heat oil, add 1 tablespoon of butter, then add chopped garlic and cook it for at least 2 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of plain flour and all the dry spices which we collected earlier. Roast for 2-3 minutes. Add milk and stir consistently until you get a nice sauce. Then boil this sauce for 1-2 minutes and then add chicken and capsicum. Mix well and switch off the stove. Now we'll add a little charcoal over it, pour some ghee and cover the lid and leave it for 2-3 minutes. Now remove the charcoal from the sauce, add our boiled pasta in it, add half cup of pasta water, mix and your delicious creamy pasta is ready. If you like, you can also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce or ketchup to make a pink sauce pasta and eat with joy. See you next time.